Hello and welcome back to Learn with Wanjah. Happy New Year 2026. It's been a minute, but we are back. And I just want to welcome each and everyone in this channel. Feel welcome to comment, subscribe, share, like. Yes, just interact with this platform as much as you can. My name is Wanjah. I'm a digital economy enthusiast. I am a data scientist, a virtual assistant. I have done writing in the past also before ChatGPT, and I've done so many other roles as a virtual assistant also. And I'm so passionate for online work. Apart from that, I am a trainer, a licensed trainer, and I'm so passionate about training. That's my calling. So this video is basically just to introduce us to this year. And for those who are new to my channel, introduce you officially to my channel. And this will be a really short video. So I want to go straight to my channel and just show you what I do on my channel so that you're able to freely interact with the platform. So this is my channel, Learn with Wanjah. And I will appreciate once again when you subscribe, share, like, comment, and just interact with this platform as much as you can. So I've done quite a number of videos, and on this platform, I have discussed so many online work platforms. So how do you navigate easily on this channel? So I have playlists. I have a playlist for microtasking platforms. These are platforms that have microtasks, just as the word suggests. Microtasks are small tasks that don't consume a lot of time to do them. And again, they also do not have a lot of returns. So you might do a task for 1 minute, get 0 point something dollars. And the platforms are discussed here. I have quite a number of them discussed here. So that is microtasking. So for those who have a lot of time, maybe you just completed school and you're looking for something to do before you join maybe college and do your courses and learn a skill that you can monetize later on. Microtasking platforms will be the best place for you to start because you don't need to have any background or any education. You just need to have a smart device. Could be your smartphone or your laptop or a desktop from a cyber or from a friend, just a smart device. These tasks include doing surveys. And what is a survey? I will be having a company, or like now, my channel, I can launch a survey and ask you, where did you learn about the channel Learn with Wanjah? Okay. And then you give me an answer. Then I ask you another question. What kind of videos did you find interesting on that channel? How much time do you spend on that channel? That is a survey on itself. So those are examples of some tasks you find in these microtasking platforms. Task number 2 is playing video games. Now, I know many youths spend their time playing games when they are free. Now, instead of just playing games and you're not earning, you're just spending time, what about you play a game and when you reach a certain level, depending on the instructions of the game, you get some money? How about that? I know that's an interesting idea. So you can be playing games and earning money, answering simple questions that we call surveys and earning money. Yeah. And other small tasks. I've also seen tasks whereby you're told maybe take photos of trees and share different types of trees. So micro tasks could be anything, very little tasks that will help you to earn money. Also, these platforms normally have what we call sharing links. whereby if you share a link to join this platform, every person has their own link once you join a platform. So you get a commission by referring people to that platform. And also, once those people are earning, you also have your own commission. So there are several ways of earning. You can do surveys, you can play games, you can refer people and get commissions when they join and also when they earn. So you have quite a number of options. And the payment methods are international. So whichever country you joined the platform from, whichever platform on these freelancing platforms, you can get paid through platforms like PayPal, AirTM, Payee, Pioneer, and so many other international payment methods that will work for your country. So do not worry about payments. That is on microtasking platforms. Very easy. When I say that they are best for people who have just left school and they have a lot of time on their plate, I didn't mean that those who are working can't do this. You can do this. Actually, when you're traveling, you can just take your phone, play some games, earn some little cash. When before you sleep, instead of just going to a platform and giving people free likes, yeah, you can also generate your income by doing those short tasks before you sleep. Whenever you have some free space, you're in a meeting, you're waiting for people to start, you play a game, you get some 0.0 something dollars. And the more you do these tasks, the more you get money. I've seen people who earn quite good money from these platforms. But again, as I said, the more the tasks you do, the more you earn. So if you just do one task and relax, then that means you will spend like a whole year and just maybe earn like $0.5 or $1. Then you'll be like, oh, Wanjah, you told us about microtasking. Now I've just earned $0.5. It doesn't work like that. You have to really be ambitious, be a go-getter, do as much tasks as you want, as you can handle. Yeah. And then wait for the results. So those are microtasking platforms. So I have discussed quite a number here, not limited to these ones. We'll keep on unleashing more and more because platforms are coming day in, day out. And then we have so many changes happening in these platforms each and every day. So we will keep discussing these ones as we move on. Now, I have a special liking for a platform called Upwork. And I have a playlist that has 11 videos just analyzing this platform. Yeah, from how to apply, like how to get an account, how to edit it, how to make sure that you get noticed by clients, how to do proposals, how to buy connects, how to win jobs, and generally just how to become a winner in this platform. Also, how to use AI to your benefit to become an expert freelancer in whatever area, because freelancing is not limited to any skill set. You could be doing designs, you could be coding, another person could be writing, another one could be doing maybe data analysis, another one could be doing troubleshooting and so many other things. Yeah. So you're not limited at all. You can do so much on this platform. So this playlist has a lot on this platform. Again, like I said, things keep on changing. When these videos were being recorded, the conditions were as you can see in those videos, but as we progress, things keep on changing. So as I have said, I will keep on updating over time on the changes that are happening and new ways to win jobs and all that and all that. Apart from Upwork, I've also discussed other platforms, and just to sum it all up, any other platform, you can find it here in this playlist written online work platforms directory. You will find other platforms like Fiverr discussed. We have remote task, and others, you will find those platforms well discussed here. And like I said, we are not limited to these platforms. Yes, we have so many other platforms that we'll keep on discussing. So, this is me to you. If your goal in 2026 is to become your own boss, is to become self employed, you can think about online work. You can think about online work. If you're talented in marketing, you have a huge following on your social media handles, you can become a very good marketer, not only for your products, but also for other people's products and brands. So that will also make you a brand ambassador. So there is a lot and a lot that you can do in the online space. And I normally say there is always something for everyone. You can also decide to be doing content on YouTube, on TikTok, or whichever platform. You can decide to be writing blogs. You can decide to be generating AI content, like AI videos that have become very rampant right now. And they are very interesting to watch and very engaging. So you are not limited at all, at all. So if your goal in 2026 is to become self employed, to become your own boss, financially free, I would advise you kindly consider online work. Consider online work. You're going to turn around your life. What I normally say, it will not be immediate because it's not a jackpot, it's not like betting. So it will not be like immediate, like boom, it just happened. No. No. You will walk a journey. Yeah. And some people land clients within the first month, others within the first 2 months, others in weeks. And your consistency will really pay. So do not just apply for jobs today and then the next time you're checking is maybe mid-February. Yeah. Or the next time you're checking it's March and then you're like, oh, I applied for jobs, clients did not notice me. The competition is massive. Millions of people are doing freelancing right now. So the competition is stiff, very stiff. So you have to be really outgoing, a person who does not give up, and you keep on pushing yourself each and every day. And I'm telling you, within the first 1 month of consistent daily applications, mastering your skills, and doing all you can to become a winner in the online space, you will become you will become a winner. Yes. So we'll be discussing topics as we go on different areas. Yeah. And maybe we might put some more emphasis on AI. AI right now is overtaking like everything. Right now, most of the things that you could do can be done by AI. Yeah. So the earlier you learn to use different AI tools, the better for you. It will make you become more efficient in whatever that you do. More efficient, faster, more productive, and all that and all that. Yes. You can also start your own brand using the help of AI. So there is a lot that we'll be discussing. My own will be to tell you welcome. Feel free to ask any question. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's keep going. Apart from speaking on this platform, I also do coaching on online work platforms, and we can discuss on so many platforms, yeah, that you would want to venture in. So I will handhold you from the beginning until you get your first client. Yes. So that one will really give me a lot of satisfaction as a trainer to see one of my followers, subscribers landing a job after consistently working together with them. So I will drop my email in case you want me to walk the journey with you in online work. You can email me and then we will plan on how to just navigate these spaces. And I'm telling you, it can be done. So I've been in this space for over 5 years now. I started as a writer, and then I ventured into virtual assistants. I ventured into data science, data analytics, and all that. And I can tell you that the online space is not, as much as it is saturated, there is a space for everyone, a space for everyone. Yes, it's a space for everyone. So do not hesitate to reach out, and let's keep going and let's keep growing. So until the next video, what I want to say is bye bye and keep it locked at Learn with Wanjah. Bye.